Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out this video. So today I am going to show you how I create my favorite Chipotle dish right from home. So let's go ahead and jump into this video and make something delicious. So when I'm creating the sauce, I don't use any water, and when I transfer the chicken to the pan, I don't use any water either. And I really want to make sure that when you bite into the chicken, you can taste the flavor. So I cook the chicken on like medium heat, and I keep flipping it maybe about every 5 minutes, and I continue to do this until there is almost no sauce left in the pan. And at that point, I'll add a cup of water just to prevent the chicken from burning. So while I'm cooking the chicken, I do periodically continue to flip the chicken as well and continue to add a cup of water as needed. So at this point, I've been cooking the chicken for about 30 minutes and I've taken a large serving spoon and I've used that to thoroughly separate the chicken because I want to make sure that every piece of chicken has flavor. Okay, because I'm using chicken breast and we all know that if you don't cook those right, they can be dry. And we don't do dry over here. No. So here I just took some fresh tomatoes and I diced about 3 of them, and I also added some curly parsley and some cilantro. And then I cheat a little bit and add some mild salsa. And instead of using lettuce, I always use spinach because it has a lot more nutrients. So now it's time to assemble this bowl. So I like brown rice, black beans, fajitas, chicken, mild corn cheese, and lettuce. So can you tell that I absolutely love eating at Chipotle? Yes. So the best part that I like about fixing this bowl at home is that you can add more meat, because I feel like sometimes, depending on the location that you go to, sometimes people are like super stingy with like the rice and the meat. And then when you ask for more, they're like, oh, it's gonna be like a double meat, so it's gonna be like $2 more. And I'm thinking to myself like, oh, like that right there is like double meat? Are you even sure that that's like a single serving size? But of course I don't say anything because I don't want any side eye while somebody's fixing my food. So I intentionally went overboard right here with the meat just to prove a point. Okay. Chipotle, stop being stingy. You can even add some sour cream on the top if that's your thing. Before I eat this bowl, I always mix everything up together and it is so delicious. And thanks so much for watching, and until we meet again, bye.